Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write test class for callout or HTTP callout in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to start creating your test classes and your callout class. So here, there is this is a guide of developer community or support of Salesforce, and from here we can find out how to create our tests for the callouts or HTTP callouts. So basically here we need just to implement the HTTP callout mock so we can start testing the HTTP request and responses. And basically here you will need to have this annotation for your class. So basically to create your own class, you will need just to go to the developer console, and from there you can start creating your Apex class. And here you can call it test class or callout test, whatever you like, callout uh, class. And from here, we need just to implement the logic for the callout class so we can test it. And basically, this is the callout class, and this is would be the callout test class. So from here, you will need just to add or to create the logic of the HTTP request and responses. So basically, you will need just to have this method for the HTTP response, and basically you will need just to go for a request, and then it will return response for these endpoints or when calling these endpoints. And here you can start in the callout test class. You can start creating the test cases for these calling, and basically you can start calling from the HTTP callout mock.class, and from here you can have your generator class that you have created. So basically this is a global class or a template that you can start using for testing all these callouts. And from here you will be asserting each cases, and then for each case you can uh, see or type value, and then you will have a result for your test cases. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.